How to remove profile picture on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily remove your profile picture on TikTok. But before we get started, I want you to head down below to give this video a quick thumbs up and hit the subscribe button as well. First thing you need to do is open up your TikTok application, and once you do so, you just want to head over to your profile at the bottom right corner. Now, all you need to do is tap on the edit profile, and then you have an option to change photo. As you guys can see here, there is no option to remove your profile picture, but I'll show you a walk around that. So what you need to do now is go ahead and click on take photo, and it will open up your camera. Now you just have to take your to a flat surface and turn off the flash, and then just click this picture right here. You just have to turn off the flash, and then once you do that, you can just go ahead and post the picture. Or what you can do is Google a plain white background and then set that as your profile picture. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.